This is the 15-inch MacBook Air. Pretty cool. It is the Midnight. What is this? AirPods? Oh, okay. And the Midnight charging cable, MagSafe. Just so you know,
to use English as the main language, press the return key.
Okay, anyways, just so you know, I am upgrading from this. This is my 2017 MacBook Pro. Over the course of 5 years, I had a lot of stickers, so I made it clear and just put it like a apple juice sticker. I think it looks way better. So yeah, it's gonna be a big jump in performance. Size-wise, I can tell y'all it's pretty big. The trackpad is bigger compared to the 17, quite bigger than expected. I already see some smudges on the Midnight Clear, but yeah, I don't really mind, to be honest. It's super thin. I guess I'm the only one thinking like this, but I don't even want to throw away the wrapping paper it came in.
Where are you going?
What?
Where are you going?
I'm going to buy another MacBook Air. It was so good.
You already have 3 at home. That's not even your car.
I'm going to buy another MacBook. It was so good.
That's not even your car.
Pagal, तुमने कहना you already